The main supply of electricity in any machine built today routes power from the batteries through a fuse block of some kind. In this video, I'll be looking at a harness from a Komatsu wheel loader cab and its fuse blocks. Fuses used today are the automotive blade type with two spades that complete a circuit across two wire connection points. That means there are two socket terminals for each fuse connection. Power is usually supplied on one side of the block by one or two wires. A metal conductor bridges multiple terminal pockets to supply many circuits. This block incorporates the locking mechanism for the terminal in each port. The locking mechanism is accessible from the fuse side of the block. A small screwdriver is all that is needed to be able to lift the latching mechanism off the knob on the terminal and allow pulling the wire from the back side of the block. Take a close look at the terminal itself and you can see the knob that engages with the tab in the block to hold the terminal in place. Look at the fuse side of the block and you can see the latch that engages with the terminal. In many cases, you'll have to use your small screwdriver to force the terminal all the way into the block to reinstall it. The fuse blocks may or may not be part of a new harness. It's always a good question to ask your parts people when trying to order a new harness. Thank you for watching.